Alright, after using the iPhone 16 for more than 3 months as my daily device, there are 4 things I hate about it. So if you have an iPhone 16, let's find out if you also have the same opinion as me. Number 4. The screen refresh rate is still 60Hz. This is disappointing on the iPhone 16. Spending $799 for a high-end phone, but you still cannot have the best screen experience. You might not see any lag or slowdown since the A80 chip is very responsive, but the animations are not smooth, unlike other phones in the same price range that offer a 120Hz screen. Alright, number 3. There is no always-on display on the iPhone 16 base model, but the Pro model does have it. So Apple added 2 new features to the iPhone 16 base and Pro model, which is the action button and camera control button. But they are definitely not including the always-on display on the base model. Alright, number 2. There is no estimated charging time on the iPhone 16. This phone comes with the latest iOS 18 and there are many new features. And some features are similar to Android, but still, there is no estimated charging time on the new iOS 18. Android already has this feature, and it is useful for managing time and avoiding overcharging. So I hope the estimated charging time will come to the iOS in the future. Alright, so the last one. I don't like that when I turn off Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it doesn't actually turn off. I've checked the website, searched other resources, and asked other people to confirm. So I find out that Apple wants to make seamless connectivity between Apple devices. Your iPhone will connect automatically when you are near your other Apple device. So if you want to disconnect your iPhone, it won't completely turn off the connection. I just don't like it connecting itself and I know my phone battery is draining. Alright, this is my list of things I don't like on the iPhone 16. But it is not completely worse. I have another video of the things I like about the iPhone 16 and feel free to watch another video from me. So don't forget to leave a comment and share your opinion. I really appreciate your likes and subscribes to my channel. And I hope to see you guys again in the next video. Stay awesome everyone!